The only thing standing in the way between you and your goals is the BS story you keep telling yourself as to why you can't achieve it. Jordan Belfort. If you convince yourself that you can achieve something important enough for you, then you will do it. If you surrender to doubts and fears, you will miss a lot of opportunities. Believe in yourself, take on your challenges, dig deep within yourself to conquer fears. Never let anyone bring you down. You gotta keep going. Chantal Sutherland. Start your journey with a strong heart and a great will to make the dream alive. Keep moving forward no matter how hard it gets, and you will eventually reach your goals. Close some doors today, not because of pride, incapacity, or arrogance, but simply because they lead you nowhere. Paulo Coelho. If there is something that adds no value to your progress, why would you keep doing it? Let go of the things that are holding you back. They do you nothing good. Life is inherently risky. There's only one big risk you should avoid at all costs, and that is the risk of doing nothing. Dennis Waitley. Don't waste your life just waiting for things to happen. It is a horrible thing to let all the potential you have go in vain. Take the risks, even if you are not sure how the results will turn out, because at least you will end up with something. When I dare to be powerful, to use my strength in the service of my vision, then it becomes less and less important whether I'm afraid. Audre Lorde. Fear will not have a chance to leak in when you have a strong mentality and when you are directing all of your attention to accomplishing one specific thing. When it is obvious that the goals cannot be reached, don't adjust the goals, adjust the action steps. Confucius. Don't ever give up on your dreams and goals, especially when you are at the point where you feel everything you are doing is worthless. Instead, work hard to find new ways that will work out for you. You don't get character because you're successful. You build character because of the hardships you face. Herman Edwards. Hardships, tough times, struggles, and pain are what determines your success. If you go through these things and overcome them, you will be a successful person with an unbreakable character. Mistakes are part of being human. Appreciate your mistakes for what they are, precious life lessons that can only be learned the hard way. Al Franken. Mistakes are one of the best lessons that allow you to grow with so much wisdom and help you make the appropriate decisions. Words can inspire, thoughts can provoke, but only action truly brings you closer to your dreams. Brad Sugars. Only hard work will bring real results to you. Planning and thinking are two important factors. However, if you don't act out these plans and start to apply them by working, they will be in vain. The reason most people never reach their goals is that they don't define them or ever seriously consider them as believable or achievable. Winners can tell you where they are going, what they plan to do along the way, and who will be sharing the adventure with them. Dennis Waitley. You have to make your goals precious. You must believe that you can achieve them. If you are not serious enough about achieving something, you are more likely to fail at obtaining it. If you don't believe in your dreams, no one will. I've come to believe that all my past failure and frustration were actually laying the foundation for the understandings that have created the new level of living I now enjoy. Anthony Robbins. Tough times make you stronger and help you gain a better understanding of your character, which in return will pave the way to creating the life you exactly desire.